Hi, this is Fred, FR5ED, with the beer review. We're at World of Beer Altamont, and I am having right now something new. It's by Cigar City. It is called Big Sound. It is a Scotch Ale, or wee heavy ale, and it's 8.5%. It's a dark caramel-colored Scotch Ale with bold malt aromas and a big flavor. Sweet toffee, light fruit, and a roasted finish. And there's further verbiage talking about how it goes good with haggis and other Scottish foods, and also with bagpipe music. So anyway, it's very dark, looks like a stout. You know, obviously lots of roasted malt. Let's give it a smell, a wee smell. I can smell the coffee and the toffee. That nice roasted malt smell with a bit of a sweet aroma as well. Let's give it a taste. Sweet roasted malt. Wow, not a lot of bitterness. It's almost like a milk stout, but bolder. Definitely sweet, definitely malty, definitely roasted malts. Touch of bitterness. Could be the roasted malts. I don't think there's much in the way of hop bitterness there. Wow, it's a big glass of 8.5% sweet malty beer. Quite good if you are into Scotch ales or wee heavy ales. It's on the sweet side, so if you're not expecting sweet, be warned. But it's quite tasty. At Cigar City, Big Sound, Heavy Scotch Ale. This is Fred, FR5ED, over and out.